Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. Under this hydrocarbons chapter, today we are going to discuss the nomenclature and isomerism of hydrocarbons. So we already learned about the nomenclature of alkane series. The first member of alkane is methane, the second member is methane, CH4. It is written like this, CH3H. The common name of the compound is methane, as well as IUPAC name of the compound also methane. Second homologous series C2H6. So it is written like this, carbon-carbon single bond. So you know the valency of carbon 4, the one valency is satisfied the sharing electrons. Here one valency is satisfied, here one valency is satisfied. The remaining valency is satisfied by hydrogen atoms. This is ethane, C3H8, C3H8, propane. The formula is written like this, CH3, CH2, CH3, propane. C4H10, totally 4 carbon atoms, 4 carbon atoms. So the valence is the first carbon and the third carbon. Beginning and end is concluded by this methyl group, CH3 groups. CH3 groups. All other places only 2 hydrogen atom is required because each carbon atom is surrounded by 2 bonds. 2 electrons are shared from these 2 bonds. The remaining 2 hydrogen atoms. This is normal butane. Normal butane. Here we are using the word N, normal butane. Normal means there will be no branches. Normal butane. IUPAC name of the compound is butane. You replace the N and the IUPAC name of this compound is butane. This compound having one isomer. Listen, it is written like this. One branch. One carbon is in the branched chain. So remaining CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. This is isobutane, isobutane. Numbering the carbon, 2 in carbon number 2 methyl group is present, 2 methyl. Straight chain consists of 3 carbon atoms. Therefore, propane, 2 methyl propane is the IUPAC name of the compound. Look at this structure number 1 and this is the structure number 2. Look at these two structure. What's the differences between these two structure? Or you find any difference in these two structure? Yes, both the structures are differ. In the carbon skeleton way, it is differs. Both having the same molecular formula. What is the molecular formula? C4H10 is the molecular formula of the compound. But they are so differ in carbon skeleton. Therefore, these two compounds are said to be chain isomers or nuclear isomers. Chain isomers or nuclear isomers. So now you are the position to say what is chain isomerism. What is chain isomerism? Organic compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in carbon skeleton. Differ in carbon skeleton. How to differentiate the carbon skeleton? Here the straight chain consists of 4 carbon atoms. Here in structure number 2 the straight chain consists of only 3 carbon atoms. Therefore, these two compounds shows the chain isomers. And these compounds also differ in boiling points. The normal butane having the boiling point of 273 Kelvin. The boiling point of this compound is 273 Kelvin and this methyl compound, these compounds having somewhat differ in boiling point. Differ in boiling points. And now in the case of carbon number 5, the different isomeric forms C5H12 is a general form. The first structure, straight chain, there will be no branches, and another one compound like this, totally 5 carbon atoms, C. So this is another one compound. the normal compound, this compound is said to be CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Normal pentane. IUPAC name of the compound is pentane. There will be no branches. Here numbering the carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon methyl group is present. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. This is isopentane. The common name of the compound is isopentane. Second carbon methyl group is present. Therefore, 2-methyl. Straight chain consists of only 4 carbon atoms. Therefore, butane. 4 carbon atom means the parent hydrocarbon is butane. The IUPAC name of isopentane is 2-methylbutane. 2-methylbutane. Here also CH3, 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 CH3. This compound is called neopentane. Compound is called neopentane. And what is IUPAC name of the compound? Numbering the carbon either from left to right or from top to bottom, whatever may be the way, whether it is all these ways are correct. 2-methyl. In carbon number 2, 2 methyl groups are present. Therefore, 2-methyl. It is shortly written as 2,2-dimethyl. 2,2-dimethyl. Straight chain consists of only 3 carbon atoms. Therefore, the parent hydrocarbon is propane. 2-methylpropane. Now you observe what are the difference possible. What are the different possible for these compounds? Here straight chain consists of 5 carbon atoms. Here straight chain consists of 4 carbon atoms. Here straight chain consists of 3 carbon atoms. All these compounds also having the chain isomerism. Same molecular formula, but different carbon skeletons are possible. Therefore, it is said to be chain isomers. The nomenclature is also like that. These compounds are differ from boiling points. The first compound 309 Kelvin. Boiling point of this compound is 309 Kelvin. Second one 301 Kelvin. And the last one is 282.5 Kelvin. You have one generalization. So, all these compounds having the same molecular formula, but why they are differ in boiling points? Why they are differ in boiling points? Is one of the generalized term as the different compounds having the same molecular formula, but they differ in their carbon skeleton, or they show chain isomerism must be differ in boiling points, because the number of branches increases. Here only one branch is possible. Here 2 branches are possible. Branches are increases means the force of attraction or the van der Waals forces decreases. Van der Waals forces decreases. Van der Waals forces decreases means we are supplying lesser amount of energy to break the bond. So, the boiling point of the compounds are decreases as the chain or as the branches increases. The number of branches increases, boiling point decreases. Okay. So, one of the general point, and in some cases the reasonable question also asks like this: why normal pentane and isopentane source differ in boiling point, but both having the general formula, both having the same molecular formula. Why they differ in their different boiling points? Because of their isomeric compounds, isomerism. Here the chain isomerism is possible. Here straight chain consists of 5 carbon atoms. As the length of the chain increases, van der Waals force of attraction also increases. Somewhat branches means van der Waals forces decreases, lesser energy is required to break the bond. Okay. So, this is the second part of this lesson, nomenclature and isomerism. If you have any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.